Find the equation of the line in slope-intercept form that passes through point 6, negative 2 and is parallel to y equal to negative 3x plus 4. When we talk about parallel lines, here's an example. What we mean by that is the lines never intersect, therefore they must have the same inclination, therefore their slopes must be equal. So if this is line 1 and this is line 2, the slope of line 1 has to be equal to the slope of line 2. And this is the clue that we need to find that second equation of that other line. We have the point where the line passes through, and we have the line which is parallel to. So this line here, all I need from this line is the slope, which is negative 3. So I can assume that the slope for this line is the same slope for the line that I'm looking for. M equals negative 3 will be the slope of the new line, and also know that the point 6, negative 2 is a point where the line passes through. So with this information, I have a point, I have a slope. I can fill in my point slope form of the line. And here's the point slope form. I'm going to fill in my points, which is x sub 1, y sub 1. I can fill this in, and I also have m, which is the slope. So here it is, y minus y sub 1, which is negative 2, equal to m, which is negative 3, times x minus x sub 1, which is 6. There you have it. Now y minus negative 2, I can simplify to y plus 2. And on this side of the equation, I can use the distributive property to expand the expression. So negative 3x plus 18. Now, in order for this to be in slope-intercept form, because the problem says find the equation in slope-intercept form, slope-intercept form is when you have an equation written in this form, mx plus b. Like the equation given of the line. This equation here is in slope-intercept form. So they want us to give our result in slope-intercept form. So what I do is I isolate y, or I solve for y. So in order to leave y alone on this side of the equation, I subtract 2 from each side. And there I have it. Y is equal to negative 3x plus 16. And this is your final answer. This is the equation of a line that is parallel to this line and passes through this point. Notice that both lines have the same slope, but different y-intercepts. I'll see you in the next video for example 2 of finding the equation of a parallel line.